Looking for a stylish, powerful smartphone without paying flagship prices? The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G might be exactly what you need. Right away, the standout feature is the 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It's bright, smooth, and perfect for everything, from scrolling social media to watching videos and gaming. Under the hood, you get 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, giving you fast performance and plenty of space for apps, photos, and files. And with 5G connectivity, everything feels faster. Downloads, streaming, and browsing are smooth and responsive. One of the highlights of this 2025 model is its AI-powered features, helping improve photos, optimize performance, and enhance your overall user experience. The phone also runs on Android 15, bringing a clean interface, better security, and the latest software features. Worried about durability? The Galaxy A56 is water-resistant, making it more reliable for everyday use, even in unpredictable conditions. With dual SIM support, it's perfect for travel or managing work and personal numbers on one device. Sleek, fast, and packed with smart features, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G delivers incredible value for its price. Check the link in the description to learn more.